Fruity sport páirt mhór a chluach an coirsnach an sarsinach. Agus un club a ball-coise a fhaighinn seo dhéanú, sé Strollers Glenrothes.
So the Glenrothes Strollers are 50 years old this year. We're really proud to be 50 years old and be in the area for that length of time. We pride ourselves in trying to give football to everyone and all. For me, it is about the community, it's about bringing people together, it's about socialising, it's about possibly producing that next great footballer that moves on to bigger and better things.
Háisí fiúna leis a club seach díal bliana rais. A céad istein na buin in na sóice. An nuair sin I rais na dabial sa deich, cha éireora slíon na clonian a leisachug tuaifistí a club, agus chanealaí ar céad a rais.
When we first started, there wasn't even a girls' league, and we were playing in a boys' league. So we were playing down in Thornton in the Fun Fours against all the boys, and got a few looks when we all walked onto the pitch with our long hair, and yeah, it was different. But it was spectacular, and the team did so well. And then I think it was into our third year that the Girls' League started developing much more in this area, but we were still having to travel to Forfar, to Perth, etc., Dundee to play. But now we have a league here in Fife. It's absolutely crucial, I think, to keep it local, so that local people have the accessibility to be able to play.
That's it, my lad, keep going!
Within the club, we're looking at 140 plus girls, ladies within the club. That's not including our ladies rec, because they're obviously participants and not registered players, but there's around about 40 of those ladies as well.
Han ball-coise a dhéanamí fiúna na fríomh bhars de na Strollers Glenrothes mu dhéin. I tuairs corrum de bhorraigh de gach ús in spárs íochann ar sanna chiad uair. Neo ar sanna chiad uair in an úne fata.
It's a great laugh. They never really had the opportunity years ago to play football amongst ourselves. We always played with the boys, or you're kind of the last one to get passed to or the last one to get chosen for the team. So it's great that the girls can just bounce off each other when we've got mummies and aunties and grannies, and it's just great.
I heard about this recreational football and I says I'll go up and give it a go, and I've never been so happier. It's not serious, it's fun. There's no pressure, nothing, just enjoyment and fun.
I thought I would forget how to play football and discovered that I haven't really. And also the same as Linda, I just everybody's so friendly and there's no pressure to be anything other than just yourself.
It's just a great laugh. Although we are quite competitive, we do like a tackle and we do like to win, but still it's quite light-hearted, and give it a shot, give it a go.
It gives you something else to focus on. Like before, all I had was my work. Yeah. But now I've got like Wednesday night. I can't wait till Wednesday night now.
Fiúna sin bheach go bhfuil an sorabachas a chlub ar a lorag. Dá rasisiúna cogiúnach na Strollers a bhí barrachd na dúrach club a ball-coise san Scíre.
Around about 7 years ago, we changed from a football club to a community club. And that was really based on what the community wanted from us, what they wanted back. We surveyed the local area, what they needed, what they wanted. And they wanted us to be more present in the community, so we were going out and doing free taster sessions. We were working with active schools, we still are. We do a walking group, we've got a food pantry, we've got the recreational side of the game. We have a safe space for girls on a Friday night where it's more like a youth club based activity. So this is what the community wanted our club to offer, and we're always developing and trying to improve on that to give back to the community that we're in.
Agus ha club has the fast. In blianasa ha Glenrothes a chluis an SWPL round the 2 uur. It tuairs skippe borraní farpaseach a rast an Scíre seo úne ata.
It's probably been in the pipeline for about 6 years. My hope when I started the pathway is that within 5 years I would have under 8s all the way up to ladies, and that just wasn't possible. So we are in our 12th year. and myself and John Hutt, who's another coach with me, who's coached for a long time with us, decided that we were going to try and put a team into a competitive league for ladies, because with the ladies rec we've got over 40 players, and some of those are ex-league players as well. And we put that application in, and at the end of November a quite experienced coach who had left her club just a couple of weeks prior to that had approached saying she wanted a fresh start and she was interested in helping us out, and I couldn't say no. Her experience will be greatly appreciated, and it has done. It's been a really quick turnaround for us, because the league started on the 15th of January to only getting in the league on the 14th of December. We had 4 weeks to kind of build this squad, put it together, find the sponsors, get the strips, and we've done it. But it's now about building that and building on that and making them the best that we can be. Having the full pathway just filled me with pride. It's the first kind of ladies competitive football team in the Glenrothes area for over 24 years. And a couple of those ladies who were in that Glenrothes team 24 years ago now play in my ladies rec. And it's just absolutely amazing that we've managed to develop it. And you know, it's not just down to me, it's down to a lot of hard work by a lot of really dedicated people who've been with the club for a long time, and I can't thank them enough for what they've helped us to achieve.
Tro ball-coise ha fiona ar cois na chóiride chrúach gon seo. Agus haigean beach gon nuring, agus gon cúm sport a clúige a fáis an na bhí bearsteach bethe dúine.
I think I would have to say that I got some feedback from one of the ladies just last week, who came to me halfway through the game and said, this is what it's all about, coming along, having fun, meeting new people. It's not all about having to be the best. And yeah, that's what it does. It helps with socialisation, it helps people get out of the house, it helps people get active. The girls behind me, some of them have never met each other before, but they've now got great friendships, you know, that'll probably last them for all of their lives. And I think that can only be a good thing.